Hi guys, welcome to the IT and Computer Support YouTube channel. On this videos, what is Python, how to download, what does it do? We will learn about this, and we will learn how to write programs in Python in ongoing videos. Let's start without you. First, we enter Google and type Python on the search bar. Click on the first option. Click download below. Click download, go down the page and download and install Python 3654U. Python is primarily an up-to-date software language, and you can write programs using this software language. This is a very short video, but the next Python videos will be longer and will be simple videos to understand. It will not only be Python narrative videos but also educational videos from other programs such as Adobe After Effects and Cinema 4D. Goodbye.